Good morning. Thank you for checking back in. This is Reuven from Valley Life, and today we're going on our morning walk. Beautiful day. Today is the 5th of July. Hopefully everybody had a great 4th. I did, so hopefully everybody did. So we are going to be starting in different segments. I'm trying to direct the channel a different way. So all right, so let me explain where the channel's going. So I've noticed I haven't had a specific orientation what I'm doing. I've been really thinking, and we're changing the content. We are doing do-it-yourself projects around your house, your car, anything that has to do it with do-it-yourself. Reason why I think this is probably going to be the best thing for us. We're pretty handy with doing projects, and we like saving money instead of having other people do it for you. I believe everybody could do that, even if you're not the highest skilled or highly skilled, or you don't have all tools as a professional does, but somehow we'll make it happen. So that's what I think we're going to be doing. That is not what I think. That's what we're going to be doing. And hopefully you guys like the new content coming up. But just want to keep you guys in the loop, let you know. That's why I've been taking a little break, thinking of what I'm going to do. And kind of gather myself before we do anything. So that's what we're doing. And hopefully you guys like it. You guys stick around and you'll see what we do. All right, take care. Thank you for watching, and subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you in just a little bit.